Friday, and don't take the bait. What am I talking about? Man, I tell you, I got to pick on Redfin a lot, and I rightfully should. They are notorious for just cranking out bad information that, of course, all the online internet trolls get a hold of and start talking housing crash again. So the latest garbage that they pumped out is they're saying that we have now the lowest demand for housing than we've had since 2013. Yeah, that sounds pretty dramatic, but the reality is nothing dramatic is going on. As you can see from this graph, this is the best indicator of demand. This is the Mortgage Purchase Application Index provided by the credible resource of the Mortgage Bankers Association. And you can see it isn't that dramatic. In fact, demand right now is only down 1% week over week. And if you look year over year, it's down a whopping 3%. But again, you can see it's really not that different than what we've seen over the last few years. Overall, the housing market just isn't changing that much. It's kind of slow. It's kind of boring. Number of price drops down, or it's up just a little bit. Inventory up just a little bit. And it's just not a whole lot going on. Right now, the story is still all about mortgage rates and oil. So highly, highly correlated right now. In fact, the shipping traffic through the Strait of Hormuz is turning out to be the best leading indicator of what mortgage rates are going to do. Up to an 85% correlation between shipping in the Strait of Hormuz and mortgage rates. So of course, we've seen mortgage rates climb steadily since the start of the war. And as a result, mortgage demand has gone down since the start of the war. Anytime we're over 6.5%, we really see a softening in demand. And of course, we're above 6.5%. And especially with oil increasing just here in the last couple days, well, guess what? Mortgage interest rates have gone up a little bit in the last couple days, but they're still kind of hovering around that 6.7, 6.8 range. That's national average, 20% down, and good credit. Of course, if you have any questions about financing home, give us a call, let us know. And happy Friday. Watch out for garbage on the internet.